Hi guys! This is my second parcel that I have. Kanina, silent lang tayo. Medyo wala tayo gana. Pero ngayon, I'm so excited because this is one of my dream stuff to have. So, excuse me lang po sa mga background natin dahil may mga binibenta po tayong mga stock toys. So, we have here nail mo. Oh my gosh. Yun lang. You cannot. This one is adhesive gel, solid sticker, adhesive gel. Also have our, wow, it was nicely packed. Individually packed. So nice. So let's skip this kasi so nice. Okay. So oh wow, this is the sun. This is the UV lid lamp, nail lamp. How are we going to use this one? Oh. We have to just pull this up and then tapos ako natin yung nails. Okay, so this is the on off. So charge lang natin ito guys. Yes, we also have, oh, this is our nail art. Yes, our nail file. Love it. We have the color gel. Top coat and the blue. Yes. Blue gel coat. This is the top coat. This is nice.